8:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Seneca, moving east per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central LaSalle and southwestern Grundy counties, including the following locations: Kinsman, Verona, and Ransom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Is it a tornado or severe thunderstorm?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 10 p.m. At 9:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beecher, or near Pewtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. John, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Mantino, Pewtown, Crete, Monee, Beecher, Grant Park, and Schneider, including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 321 and 333. This includes Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. County in east, this is Illinois, southwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Herscher, Oregon, 15 miles southeast of Dwight, Moving
They really
at
need to
20
fix this
miles per
Oregon
hour.
thingy.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Iroquois, northern Fort, and southwestern Kankakee counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This is NOAA Weather Radio. At 25 miles per hour. Hazard.
Missed
60
the
miles
header
per hour,
because
gusts and quarter-size hail.
SD card didn't
Source,
refuse.
radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Lockport, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Alsip,
Wonder if I can get WGN.
Lemont, Midlothian, Chatham, Worth, Flossmoor, and Linwood. The following Interstate 57 between mile markers 342 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 143 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 60 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 60 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 3 and 9. This includes Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Lorraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I wonder if it'll happen on WGN. Or WLS.
Because you can make a lot of money for yourself, you make a lot of money for...
Wonder what stations transmit from Chicago here. I think it's just WLS.
Locations impacted include Streeter, Ransom, including the following interstate. Interstate 55 between mile markers 211 and 215. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mason County, Southern Peoria County, Central Fulton County, Western Tazewell County, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:32 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Farmington to near Bath, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Havana, Lewistown, Mason City, East Peoria, Bartonville, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Marquette Heights, Farmington, Bellevue, Manitou, Cuba, Hannah City, South Pekin, Glassford, Tivoli, and Green Valley. This includes the following highways. Interstate 474 between mile markers 2 and 11. Interstate 74 between mile markers 91 and 95.
my county. None of my other radios activated, except my WR120 and EZ.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I'm going to set this thing to voice eventually.
Lincoln, Mason City, Atlanta, Delavan, Mount Pulaski, Hopedale, Green Valley, San Jose, Emden, Arlington, Middletown, Hartsburg, New Holland, Lawndale, and Broadwell. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 18. Interstate 55 between mile markers 118 and 141.